MagellanTV is a documentary streaming service available globally that specializes in high-quality documentary movies and series. We began working with AWS a few years ago as part of the hosting and the streaming of components for the documentary service. And as part of that, we got to know one of their partner organizations, Mission Cloud.
One of the issues that we found ourselves running into is the fact that our content is only in the English language. And localizing content is a really expensive sort of feat. So Mission Cloud and our IT department had a pretty audacious idea, and that was to build this localization tool together.
So they started to talk to us about the benefits, the capabilities of generative AI. After months of planning, the Mission Cloud team came up with a solution, and we called it Magellan VoiceWorks. And in essence, what this does is it takes a documentary soundtrack and converts it to another language through an automated process that requires very little human interaction. So by automating this process using generative AI, we're able to reduce the time and the cost by an order of magnitude. And that really redefines the economics of distribution. We're able to do this at scale. And we're able now to offer our audiences globally in a multitude of different locations and marketplaces with documentary programming in their language. So it really changes the whole game.
Our content is factual, it's educational. It's also entertaining, but there's so much that's accessible all around the world that is not necessarily the most educational content. And it's important that content like ours can have that global reach and can be made available to audiences all around the world.